Neil Carlson here at Lincoln Park in Grand Forks on a Thursday afternoon where the flood wall is going in. Because the Weather Service is now forecasting the Red River in Grand Forks will get 42 feet by tomorrow. Got another 1.5 feet or so to go. Kind of a second crest here as it takes in the latest snowfall, rain, and so forth around the area. This is the Lincoln Park area. Back in 1997, all this went underwater. All the houses moved out of this area. You have to get in the lower, you can see it way back there, lower level of the park. You can see water back in there already. And there's the Red River and the trees back to the side here. Flood wall going in now as a precaution. The city's protected to 60 feet with the current levee system. And as I said, the crest expected to hit 48 feet by Friday. In Grand Forks, I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.